Yes, sir.
So always you should remember, whenever you are able to identifying, understanding, whenever you are able to identifying an object distance is less than focal length means less than f dash, our mind should say immediately, definitely the image forming is what? Definitely image forming in this case.
Virtual image.
And we must come what? We must come negative. We must come negative. Then you will get a confidence. Yes, my answer is the correct. That is what you should verify. Do you understanding, Amma? Always we must come negative when object distance is less than f dash. That is what you should remember. All of you. Do you understanding, Ra? Yes or no?
So less than f dash means how much can you draw on?
Suppose focal length, focal f dash is equals to suppose 10 centimeter. Then less than 10 means in the sense of it may be a understanding 9.9, 9.8 like that, 0 to 9.999. They are in between. Understanding? So 0 to 10, whatever the distance given, that is less than 10 only. So in this all the cases it will form virtual image only. Do you understand, Padmarsini?
Okay, sir.
That is less than 10. Less than 10 means it is like 9, 8 decimals they won't give usually. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like these distances is called as less than focal length. So in this case, definitely it will form virtual. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. Will you able to remember or not, all of you? Now, case 1, all of you write. Now, first case, case 1. At where? At between, oh sorry, at not, between
F1 and
F dash,
central
F dash,
and optical
between optical center, between optical center and F dash. Understand? Which presence of bracket you can write C and F dash. All of you note it down and draw the lens fastly. All of you fastly draw the lens.
So between optical center and
F dash, F dash. F dash. F dash. Do you understanding F dash? All of you? Yes or no? Nobody will respond.
yes, sir.
Now, let us see what is the first case. So how the image will form. Everybody must remember always the same image whenever, wherever it will come. Whatever the numerical doesn't matter. You have to remember the same image of this and you have to draw the same image also. So what is that you will see now. So which will form which case now? What is the characteristics of image? Always it will form
Virtual image, sir.
virtual and
erect.
Inverted.
erect image.
Erect, sir. Sorry, sir.
Inverted not. Virtual means erect, Padmarsini.
Real
Always.
and inverted.
It's
a real
That
and
is what you should remember. So now,
okay,
all of you draw perfectly diagram. Have you taken the 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter? Please tell me. Now, perfectly draw the lens. So this is what the image characteristics. Always must draw like this only perfectly in exam. No secondary case and there is no secondary thought also. Everybody perfectly draw like this. And even how to draw eye, very simple. You may notice it, I have told you in last class how to draw eye. Understand? You can draw like this. It is also correct. And you can shade it. Exactly if you want like them, you can shade it. That is also correct only eye.
so this is negative only, no, sir. Here the focal
Negative.
length.
Yeah, focal length is negative. Focal length is always where? Oh, focal length is positive. This focal length is positive. This is what the
How,
focal
sir?
length. This is what the focal length we can calculate. Do you understanding?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Here doesn't matter that is. Do it.
V, sir. V, I am asking. V.
V is negative. V is negative. All of you do it now. This is the draw image. All of you draw perfectly. If you are unable to draw, I also no problem. So here These light rays will become what? Always. They will never become parallel and they will never become convergent also. They will always will go keep on diverging so that this will form the virtual image. If you extend them in a backward direction, observe carefully. Why they are representing here with the dotted lines? Anybody? Why they
Virtual
are
image,
representing
sir.
Because they are virtual lines.
because virtual image. That is the reason. So what kind of special rays they have taken here? What is the two special rays? Everybody, Kevin, Tarani, Pushpa. What is the two special
AD
rays?
and
Rule number 1 and rule number 3. Is it yes or no? Rule
Yes, sir.
1 and rule 3 they have taken. So you also fix that. Most of the cases we used to get this rule number 1 and rule number 3 only. Rule number 3 only. Do you remember that? Only for one case we will use rule number 2. Remaining all the cases, this only 2 rules will come. So now, perfectly you draw, you will definitely will get the answer. All of you remember. So what is the incident ray? First incident ray here. All of you tell me. What is the first incident ray here? AD. Do you understanding, Ra? First incident ray is AD. Understanding? And the refracted ray is DF. Refracted ray is DF. Next.
DF.
Second incident ray is AC.
AC.
And the refracted ray is CY.
CY.
CY. That is what you remember. If you extend them in backward direction, use scale. How many of you are able to draw perfectly? Can you able to draw perfectly this image?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? That is. So here you may remember focal length they are representing this side because this is forming virtual image. But this must be what? Positive or negative? Always it must be positive.
Positive.
F equals to positive. All of you remember. Whenever you will see a word called as convex, immediately F is equals to positive. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
That
Okay,
is.
sir.
So what is the characteristics formed by image here? Check it. Here itself there. In image itself you write it. No need to write specially again. Image itself, what is the characteristics? Virtual image.
Erect and
Virtual, erect,
Magnified image.
magnific.
Magnified image.
Magnified.
What is the position? What is the position of the image? Position. You can write here.
Behind-
Position.
behind
In
the
front of
object.
the lens. In front of the lens. In front of the lens. This is behind. This is called as behind. This is in front. Okay, da?
Yes, sir.
Those who don't know the word called as behind, you can write back of the lens. What is that word? Back of lens. No issues. That is also correct only. Do you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
All of you draw. This is what the perfect diagram. You have to draw this only. Everybody must draw this. Wherever it is exam also. And characteristics you write this. Below you write it. Below image itself you write. Image, virtual, erect and magnified. Position is in front of the lens. Understand, Kevin? Arvind Ganpati, Arun Karthikeyan, Anusri. No response, nothing will be there. Okay. So that is what the case one. Jesse, have you completed Jesse? Varshini Bensi. Okay, you do it. Arya, draw. All of you draw. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is next case number 2. Where is the case number 2? Where is the case number 2?
At focus.
Yes, sir.
At the focus. Yeah, all of you do it. Case number 2 at the focus. Right. At the focus. When the object is placed at the focus. When the object is placed at the focus. When the object is placed at the focus of a convex lens. Focus of a convex lens. Then what will happen, Ra? If you place at the focus, what is the image characteristics? Image will form at
Real,
Real and
remaining all
inverted.
real. Remaining all the cases real only. But
Inverted.
where it will form?
On that side, yes, sir.
infinity, sir.
At infinity.
Infinity, sir.
Yes, sir.
But not the outside, that side of Padmavarshini. At infinity it will form. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
That is. So now, All of you draw image. Directly there itself you have to draw. Nothing, no need to write because I don't want to increase our writing works. All of you draw this image. That's all. All of you see it. Now, the object is placed exactly at where? Here also the same two special rays. Same two special rays you take it. Understanding? So, object is placed exactly at F dash. Now, one special ray is AD, which is parallel to the principal axis, will go through the focus. Next special ray, which is going to the optical center, will go straight. So here you have to remember, rays become parallel, like our battery. If you will keep the light, understanding, the light rays will become very, very long distance and the size is keep on increasing. You may observe that the light rays which is coming from the battery keep on increasing. So that is what the same way here. Understanding? So the light rays become parallel. You must show the parallel beam of light here. Understand? So that the image will form somewhere very, very bigger. That is why we can say highly magnified image. What we can say? What we can say?
Highly magnified.
Highly magnified image. Understanding? Now, characteristics of image. What you can write? We cannot represent on the screen. That is what we can write. Understanding? So object is placed at the F dash. So image will form at infinity. So now what is the characteristics you can tell me? Real,
Inverted, enlarged.
that's
Highly magnified.
highly magnified. Highly magnified. Draw this ray diagram. Highly magnified. And image will form. Position is what? At infinity.
At
Position.
infinity.
Position at infinity. Nitinath, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Infinity. That's all. Write it. No need again any other extra information. Characteristics means this is alone you have to write. Hardly this question will come for 2 marks. Nothing will come. Only maximum it may comes for 2 marks. Any one case and 99% cases I'm saying you, this case will never come in exam. This case will never come in exam. 99% cases. Only 99% cases they will ask, suppose ask you to represent the ray diagram. Third case and fourth case alone they will ask you. That is the, in between that only always it will go. If rarely, they will ask you case number 1. So nothing they will ask you more than this. Do you understand? So that is what we can see. So second case, is it completed? Do fast.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Perfectly. Is it your image is coming perfectly or not? That is what you tell me. Same 3 centimeter. You have to take same 3 centimeter focal length. This side and that side, both the sides. Then only will get perfect ray. I am saying you that is the reason. Pranav, completed Pranav?
Yes, sir.
Right, next, case number 3. When the object is between, what is the case number 3? When the object is between
F dash and 2F dash.
F dash and 2F dash.
F dash and 2F dash. Also we can call it as F1 to F. Small letters F1 to F. That is also your choice. Because Nitina said that, sir, I will take small f. That is also you can take it. It is not an issue. F dash and F1 to F dash to F. You can take that also. When the object is between F dash and 2F dash, all of you take it. When the object is between F dash and 2F dash. F dash and 2F dash. Now what is the position of the object? Can anybody say what is the position of the object?
Beyond 2F.
No. Position of the object I am asking. Only you tell me position of the object alone I am asking. Position of the object, what it is now. What is the position of the object, Ray? What is the case heading? Heading what?
Between
Between,
F dash
sir.
and 2F dash.
Between 2F and
F. Is it yes or no? Now, have you taken the ray diagram? Have you taken the ray diagram 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter? Middle you keep somewhere, wherever you want to keep it. Middle between 3 to 6. Have you kept it or not?
Yes, sir.
That is. So observe very carefully. If you have taken here, understanding case number 3 will come whenever you are placing the object between F1 to F dash and 2F dash. All of you verify carefully here. Understanding, like this exam also, no need to, you are not supposed to forget the name of the lens, understand, and everything. So verify here now. So object is placed between F dash and 2F dash, and height of the object also please kindly take 1 centimeter or maximum 2 centimeter. Don't go behind that. I observed that somebody will take 5 centimeter object also. It is very, very bad and you will never get perfect ray diagram. Take maximum 1 centimeter or 1.5 or hardly 2 centimeter. That's all. So now, observe very carefully. If you take the object between f dash and 2f dash, exactly middle you take 3 centimeter, 4, 4.5, next 5, 5.5, 6, correct? So 3 to 6, what is that exactly middle? 1.5 means 4.5 you take the object, all of you. In your notebook, you take it, midpoint, exactly between f dash and 2f dash. Anywhere you can keep, not an issue, but middle you keep it. Do you understand? Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
again, two special rays. What is Dilipan? What is the two special rays he have taken? Rule number 1 and rule number? Dilipan, Yalni,
Sir,
rule number 1 and
number 3, sir.
rule number 3. So now, you don't need to worry about the image location. Just draw the rule number 1 and rule number 3. Definitely, if you are drawing perfectly, they will meet somewhere behind 2f. Is it right or wrong? You tell me.
Yes, sir.
Is it
Yes,
meeting
sir.
for you? Nitish Kumar? Akshaya? Is it meeting for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then that's all. So what is the characteristics of the image? Real image?
Real and inverted and magnified image.
Inverted and,
Everybody, Dina, real
magnified.
inverted, magnified. Magnified, and what is the position of the image? Back of lens. Understand?
Beyond 2f.
Back, yes, sir.
Beyond 2f.
Yeah, beyond lens.
Behind the lens.
Behind back of the
2F.
lens means back of the 2f. Understand? Behind 2f you can write. Behind 2f. That is what you should remember. Behind 2f. Note it down. You should write that. Position. Position you can keep hyphen. Position. Position hyphen. Behind 2f. Draw image all of you fastly. Behind 2f. Perfectly you should draw. No shaking, nothing. Straight lines, always straight lines. What you should call? Ray of light or light ray? What are you call? What are you writing? Ray of light or a light ray?
Ray of
Always
light.
Right? A ray of light, not light ray. A ray of light. Always remember. If it is a more than one ray of light, we should call it as what? A beam of light.
Beam of light.
That is what you should remember. Beam of light. A ray of light you should write. So many will write a light ray. That is wrong. We should write always a ray of light. If it is completed, you tell me. Draw. Take your time and you draw. No problem. Everybody must draw. And you have to learn now itself. I'm saying you. Because then tomorrow we'll solve numericals. Then nobody should face problem. Anywhere, anywhere. If I will say the question, you should say the position of the image. Like that you have to be. You have to be thorough in that situation. I will train 1 or 2 questions. Later, we will go like how fast you see. Tomorrow you will see how fast you people will solve. Everybody, you yourself will solve. Maybe first 5-6 problems you will face problem. Later you will never stuck and you will never wait for me also. Let us see. I will make you that. Definitely, I know that. Is it completed?
Yes, sir.
All of you. If it is completed, then case number 4. What is case number 4? Case number 4.
At 2f, sir. At 2f.
When the object is at 2f dash, exactly 2f dash, right? Case number 4. When the object is at 2f dash, when the object is at 2f dash, by this time you may understand where the image will form. 2f dash, image where it will form.
2f, sir.
2f.
Again behind the mirror, behind the lens, again at 2f. Is it yes or no?
In the lens. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Opposite side it will form at 2f. That's all. So what is the characteristics of image? Both are same location,
Same size of the object.
same
Same
size.
size of the
That is.
object, sir.
Now,
Real and inverted image.
real inverted. Okay. Now observe carefully. I will say one important point here that you should remember. In the case of mirror, which mirror? Concave mirror. Is it yes or no? Concave mirror,
Yes, sir.
all of you. So when you will place exactly object at C, image also will form at C, so that both image and object is forming at the same point, so that the distance between the V and U, which is equal to how much? 0. Is it
Zero.
yes or no? 0. All of you, do you understanding now? Distance between V and U in the case of mirror, both will form at the same location, so that the distance between them is how much? 0.
0.
Understanding? But if it comes to the lens, they are forming exactly 2f dash and 2f. Understanding? But they are not at the same location. Do you understanding? Opposite direction. So now, for example, our case, we are taking 6 centimeter. Is it yes or no? 2f dash
Yes,
is
sir.
6 centimeter. So what is the distance between the 2f dash and f dash? Anybody? What is the distance between the 2f dash and f dash? Your case, yeah. 2f dash and f dash. From here to here, what is the distance?
That one.
Sir,
What is
12
answer?
centimeter.
12 centimeter. That is what I want. Understanding all of you. That is you must know. So in this situation, the distance between the object between the object and image distance is, you have to add this thing. Whatever the distance is present from optical center to 2f dash, from optical center to 2f, the total distance if you add, which will give the distance between image and the object. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
That is what the important thing. So in this case, you can observe, note it down all of you, right? Draw the image. Again, two special rays. What is the two special rays, Ra? Arya, what is the two special rays I am taking here? Case number 4. Case number 4, what is the two special rays, Arya? Dina? Pranav? Kevin, you tell Ra. Again, same special rays, correct? One is parallel, another one is
Yes,
going.
sir. 1 and 3.
Rule 1
number
and
one.
rule
Okay,
3.
that is what you may remember. Rule 1 and rule 3. That is what you should remember. For all the first 4 cases, we are taking till now rule number 1 and rule number 3. Right? So now what is the characteristics of image? You check it here. It is there in below. What is that?
Real inverted
Real,
same size.
inverted, and
The
the
third
same
and
size of the
same
object.
size of the
So in
object.
this case alone, height of the object which is equals to height of the image, which is equals
Yes,
to
sir.
how much? Same. Understanding? Same.
Same,
So
sir.
equal. So in this case, magnification alone will come 1. What is magnification? 1.
One.
You understanding? Ra? Magnification is 1 when you place object at 2f dash. 2f dash. But if it is forming real image, so magnification is what? Real image. Magnification
Minus
is minus.
Minus 1.
That is you should remember. Is it possible to form m is equals to plus 1? Anybody? Is it possible to get m is equals to plus 1? Plus 1?
So if it is a virtual,
Never will form. Never will form this. Understand? Maybe they may
Okay.
ask the question in exam, but magnification will never become plus 1. In the case of mirrors and lenses, doesn't matter. Magnification plus 1 will never come in mirrors and lenses because it will never form. Do you understanding? That
okay.
is you should remember. If it is forming, it is only real image. Do you understand? That is. So that is what you have to remember. This point
The
also.
magnification will always be negative.
No, only for one value. Whenever height of the image equals to height of the object. In this case alone, m is always 1. Is it yes or no, Ashika? In this situation, always it is minus 1. Lens or mirror doesn't matter. But magnification is equals to 1 will never, there is no plus 1. Only minus 1 will fall. Do you understand?
Okay.
That is what I am saying. Not equals to 1 always. Understand? It may be less than 1 or greater than 1 also. Understanding? Less than 1 or greater than 1. But by the 10 cases, we have plus and minus magnification. Do you understanding? If m is equals to less than 1, if m is equals to greater than 1, we have both plus and minus sign. Do you understanding, Ra? But if m equals to 1, we have only one sign. What is that sign? Negative sign. Understanding? All of you.
Yes, sir.
That is what you should remember. Draw this image finally. Do it fast. Humaira, do you understand Humaira? Prahasini? Varshini? Okay, Pranav completed. Tell me, if it is completed, you tell me.
Completed.
Completed, sir.
Next, get ready. Next, case number 5. What is the case number 5?
Beyond 2f dash.
Right.
Beyond 2f dash.
Beyond 2f dash. When the object is beyond 2f dash. Arun Karthikeyan, are you drawing? Karthikeyan, Yura, Vairam School.
Sir.
If you have doubt, ask me. Don't sit simply. I don't want that. Next, right, when the object is beyond 2f dash. Now, before you check it, when the object is between 2f dash and f dash, image is coming beyond 2f. Is it yes or
Beyond
no?
2f.
Now, just opposite to that, we are placing the object itself beyond 2f dash. So, where the image will come?
Between f and 2f.
Between f and 2f.
Between
That's
F
all.
and 2f.
Now, draw all of you. 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter, take perfectly and draw. One minute, system hanged, I think. Draw all of you. Have you completed? Draw this is. So this is case number 5. Draw perfectly. Case number 5. What is the characteristics draw? It is opposite to case number 3. Is it yes or no? Have you verified? It is just opposite to case number 3. Correct? So again, what is the two special rays here, Arya? Again, rule number 1 and rule number rule number 3. There is no use of rule number 2. No case required rule number 2. That is what you should remember. Do it fast. Now, what is the characteristics here? What is the characteristics? Real, inverted,
and diminished.
Inverted and diminished.
diminished image. What is the position between? Position.
Behind them.
F1 and 2F. Between F and 2F. That is F. Here F and this is 2F. That is what? Between F and 2F. Remember that. So when the object location is at beyond 2F dash, image will form between F and 2F. Opposite to the third case. All of you should write position. Position between F and 2F. That is very important. Is it okay? Draw.
Yes, sir.
I hope you completed already. Do it.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Next, case number 6. Last case number 6.
Infinity.
What is that? At infinity.
At infinity.
At infinite.
At infinity, you already know that. How to draw. Take parallel beam of light and you draw it. Parallel beam of light, you take it and you draw. But the image will form at focus So focus will show always dotted image. So but in exam you have to show little bit image. So that is why we will take a parallel beam of light which is coming from top of the lens, like in the sense of like parallel beam of light only, which is coming from some other direction. That is, you can take it. First you draw straight line. What you know? Parallel straight lines you draw. Parallel lines you draw, all of you. Parallel lines, you know, case number 1, how to find the focal length. The same way you can draw the case number 6. So this is so or in exam if they will ask you in this case, usually this case won't come. If it will come, you take this one. This is the case number 6. In exam, if they will ask you this case, you try to draw this, because still we can show a highly diminished image at the focus. That is what a main purpose. Understand? So what is the characteristics? Real image, inverted image, and highly diminished image. So the object is placed at infinity distance like a sun, so that the image is forming at the focus. Like a sun, how we have done? A parallel beam of light is coming from the sun. Understanding? We have placed the lens so that we have formed the image at the paper. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? The same way. You can take that also. That is also correct. If you are feeling difficulty this, then you can draw just simply like your textbook. Understanding? Take parallel beam of light. Parallel beam of light. So all the light rays will converge at particular point. So that itself we can represent F at infinity. You can imagine from infinity. Understand that, sir? Is it okay, da? You can draw this also.
Yes, sir.
It is correct only. You can draw this also. It is correct only. But in exam, if they will ask you, so try to draw this. Mention perfectly all the things. Don't miss it. F dash, 2F dash, and here also. Understanding? Here F, and next somewhere 2F will come. So that is, you can draw this below one or above one, but both the characteristics are same characteristics. But I will prefer this one. You people, if you draw this one, even I used to like. Okay. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, here also we are using what? Rule number 1 and rule number 3 only. Rule number 2 we are not at all using in any 6 cases. Is it yes or no? We are not all using rule number 2.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
I will say the rule number 2. Remember, rule number 2 we have to use only in one situation. We have a rule number 2 use. Have you completed this one? If you completed only, I will say that. Have you completed this one?
Yes,
Please.
sir.
If it is completed, then I will say remember. So for all the cases, you have to use what? Rule number 1 and rule number 3 only. Correct or not? Now, rule number 2, when we have to use, sir, means suppose they will ask you the question in exam. Understanding? Upper part of the lens is covered with a black paper. Upper part of the lens is covered with a black paper. Then you should go with rule number 2. Do you understand, Ra? Do you understanding? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Then at that situation, you have to go with rule number 2. So this is one light ray will go through the center. Understanding? Because it is never come outside, so that only I am taking a virtual dotted lines. And in this case, you people can go. Understand? Like this situation. Will you able to understanding? RNs. Bottom part of the lens is covered. Bottom part of the lens is covered with a black paper. Then also the light ray you can take like this, which is falling on the lens, which will become parallel. Is it okay, da? By the time object is placed, understanding, bottom side, but this case is not at all there in our textbooks. Always will place the object above the principal axis, not below the principal axis. Do you understand, Ra? Understand or not? So that is what. So always this case. So in this case alone, when the lens is covered, half of the lens, half lens is covered with the black paper, then we can use rule number 2 and rule number 3. So this is the question number 9 in our exercise. I think I have already taught you, correct? Question number 9. Those who attended the school class, you may understand. So that is what we will use rule number 2 and rule number 3 only in the case of when the lens is covered, half of the lens is covered with a black paper. Do you understanding, Amma? That is extreme level, Ra. No, 99% cases that question won't come. If it will come also, we can solve, because I will give you 2 or 3 numericals related to that. We will solve it and we will find it also. Is it okay? Yes?
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt, anybody? You can ask me.
No
You have
doubt.
any doubt now? So last case, what is the characteristics you have written? I have not noticed it. What you have written? Highly diminished image.
Real inverted and highly
Real
diminished.
inverted and highly diminished. What is the position? What is the position? Position you should write first.
Focus.
Position
At
Position.
focus, yes, sir.
at
At
F.
focus.
At F. Capital F. At F. That's all. Is it okay, da? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that is all about the understanding today's class. And the next one, okay, I will say you what is the images, the uses of convex lenses, and whatever the things are present in, like in the sense of what is the next one, what is the concave lens and what is the images found by concave lens. Within one period we will finish that, because only 2 images we used to get. Later sign convention, and later we'll go for lens formula and magnification formula, and we'll solve the numericals from tomorrow's class. Is it okay, da? All of you? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So next 3 days, even Sunday, I will take even one more class extra, for special class for only for numerical purpose. We will solve the numericals for fastness. Nobody should reach your level in the numerical. That is what, in such a way you have to solve that much faster. So that is why